Vamanadeva resumed his original form and human-like form to reciprocate in love and accept worship from his devotees. So Madhurya Mai Leela, this is Nara Leela, where the Lord is approachable. He's near to us. His form is human-like in proportion to the human beings, not some vast, gigantic, untouchable, inconceivable, unthinkable form, distant, vast, omnipotent form, full of power and opulence. This form is not very sweet, not very accessible, but in Madhurya Mai Leela and Nara Leela, human-like Nara Roop, Vamana Roop, is only 4 feet 4 inches tall. It's easy to be near the Lord. It's easy to touch the Lord, relate to the Lord, speak to the Lord, worship and serve the Lord in a very sweet and intimate and confidential way. And in this form, the Lord accepts the personal loving worship of his devotees. So in order to reciprocate with his devotees' worship, Lord Brahma wanted to worship Lord Vamanadeva. So to accept that worship, he abandoned his Aishvarya Mai form of Virat Roop and adopted his Madhurya Mai Vaman dwarf form, the dwarf Brahman, so he could accept the worship of Lord Brahma. Very interesting point in text 8. It mentions some of the different personalities that were taking part in the Vamana Puja along with Brahma. And one of them was a character named Jambavan, who is the Riksha Rajatu, the king in the form of a bear, or the king of the bears, Baluraj. This Jambavan is described that he serves the Lord throughout 3 yugas. This description here in 8th canto, chapter 21, verse 8, describes how Jambavan is serving the Lord in Satyuga, serving Lord Vamanadeva in his Bali Maharaj Vaman Leela. What is he doing? It says that he's joining in the ceremony, sounding his bugle in all directions. He declared a great festival for Lord Vamanadeva's victory. Apparently he's Beri Shabde. Beri is some type of bugle, which apparently it's his bugle, and he blew it loud and clear to announce the Maha Utsav in all the directions, Sarvadikshu.